Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to add follow button on your Facebook profile. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your Facebook profile from add friend to follow button. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to update your Facebook to the latest version. So if you are not using the latest version of your Facebook, you have to update your Facebook to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Facebook, just open your Facebook and then click on menu. Now once you click on menu, you can see settings over here. Just scroll to where you can see settings and privacy. Click on that and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, just scroll to where you can see audience and visibility. You can see the second option says who can find and contact you. Click on that and then you need to make sure the first one is on friends of friends, or you can set it to everyone. Now once you are done, scroll to where you can see the second option, or the next option is post. Just click on post and you can see who can see your future post. You need to make sure it is on public over here, so you can see public. Now once you are done, just scroll to where you can see followers and public content. Click on that and you need to make sure these two options are on public. You can see who can see your followers on your timeline. Make everything public over here. Now once you are done with this, boom, just go back and confirm it. Now just open your profile over here. Once you open your profile, you can see the three dots here. Just click on that and you can see view as. Once you click on view as, you can see the follow button over here, so it means this is activated. You can see now my profile, there is the follow button here, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new